All right, now we're going to add blog content because we created our blog here on the homepage in the menu. And if you go here, there's nothing there yet. And so what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to blog posts in online store, go to blog posts, and there are no blog posts yet. So we're going to go ahead and click create new blog post. Now, I don't have any blog post ideas yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to ChatGPT and we're going to ask it for some blog posts. This is all great. Now we need some content. Let's add a blog post. What are some blog ideas or blog post ideas for our store? And then it's going to give us some blog post ideas for the store. And we're going to take those ideas and we're going to develop them out. And matter of fact, we're just going to go ahead and take this first one. It's going to give us a bunch of them, but we're going to take this first one. I really like this, or actually the second one. 10 easy and effective body weight exercises for busy professionals. That's a really, really good one. 10 easy, effective body weight exercises for busy professionals. These are great. These are all great ones. The best foods, stay motivated. These are all really good. I really like write me a 500 word. No, let's make it 1,000. Let's make it 1,000 word blog post for this topic. Make it fun. Add humor. Write it in the tone of a busy professional workout expert. Okay. All right. So now we're going to get a 1,000-word blog post. And we don't even have to do anything for it. I'm just going to go ahead and type the title. I already have the title. So I'm going to come over here. I'll put the title in here. 10 easy and effective body weight exercises for busy professionals. Now, it's going to want a featured image. And so for that, I'm just going to come back over here to place it. This is where we found our original image. And I'm just going to find another one. And I'm going to call this workout. I'm just going to look for a workout and see what we got here. Okay, I like her. She's gonna go there. She's got a big old smile there. We could just grab that image there, and we could change her shirt color, but we won't. We're just gonna change the designer on her shirt, and we're gonna do the home body gym. And looks like we're gonna make this smaller, make it fit in there. Move it up a little bit. And then make it a little bit smaller, I guess. Home body gym, move it down more. A little bit bigger. And a little bit smaller. You gotta keep playing with this one. Home body gym. Bring it down just a little bit. And we'll roll with that. Go ahead and crop. Now it's cropping that graphic. It's putting it onto her shirt. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and download that and take it over to Photo Room. So I have Photo Room open over here. I'm just going to grab this and drag it. And now it's got her on there. Boom. Let's resize this. Let's make this square. And boom, she's right there. We'll just leave that there. And let's just do a background, or not a background, a Magic Studio background. And because she's in her home, let's do a cozy home. She's working out cozy in her home. And let's see. Boom. Maybe this one right here. Right next to the sofa. Or this one. Let's see. It looks like she's standing on something there. So let's go back to this one. And we'll roll with that. We're going to go ahead and hit download. And now we have our image for our blog post. So I'm just going to drag that over here. And then our copy should be done. Let's come back over here and drag it all the way down and copy all of this. I'm not going to read this blog post because, we know ChatGPT is good by this point. We know it's good, but look at this push-ups, jumping jacks. It gives you all these different exercises and breaks it down for them. That's a great blog post. Let's go ahead and paste that right inside of there. And we could add an excerpt if we wanted to. It could be a custom excerpt, but we're not going to. We're just going to copy this, just add it in there. Just like that. Copy that first part off. And then blog. It's in news, but we could create a different blog if we wanted to. We'll call this one tips. Workout tips. We'll call it that. And I'm going to hit save. And now we have our first blog post. It's in our blog that is for tips. We could go ahead and view this. Let's see, how do we view it? Preview. And this is what it's going to look like. It's got that big image and that post down there. I think that's a really good one. And because we changed the name of this blog post, or the blog itself, we're going to go back and have to edit the home page, or not the home page, but this menu up here. That's where I'm going wrong. I got to go back over here and edit the navigation and main menu, homepage blog or homebody blog. I'm going to have to hit edit. And we don't want the news one. We want blogs. We want workout tips because that's the new one that we made. Apply changes. Hit save. And then let's go back to the footer menu. Let's add that into the footer menu now too because we didn't have that before. So let's go down to blogs and go down to workout tips and hit add and then drag it up to maybe right there. Save. And let's just go ahead and go to the home page and refresh it, see what it looks like. And we have our menus down there with workout tips. We have our menu up there with the homebody blog. Go ahead and click on that. It doesn't take us to the workout tips for some reason, so we're going to want to look at why that is. Let's come back over here to the header menu, to the main menu, and edit that. We got the right one. We saved it right. So let's go back over here to blog posts, and let's just see what's going on with that. Oh, it's hidden. It's hidden. That's why we want to make this visible. Save. Workout tips. Refresh the page. Boom. There it is there. Now notice that her head is cut off. We could actually go back over to this and let's see if it'll let us edit this. This one doesn't let us pick the hot spot. Edit image. No, this one doesn't let us pick the hot spot. So it's just going to be cut off. We could change the template if we wanted to, but we don't have a template for this one. So I think we're good. I think we're fine. We're just going to go ahead and leave that there. All right, so that's it. Let's just do one more thing. We're going to add it over to the home page. We'll do that in a separate video.